our main focus at the moment is actually to get to a sustainable operation and to be more energy efficient. We're on a good path to get there, but as you know, there's always things to optimize, and TrendMiner is actually a very good tool for us to help us to get there.
How does TrendMiner help you in your day-to-day challenges?
So actually I use TrendMiner on a very daily basis. It's very good to get a quick overview over the process data, over the current status of the plant. Is it running? Do we have some problems? And it's very easy to use, and it's to get a good overview. Absolutely. So at the moment it's pretty much on me and the plant management team who are using TrendMiner at the moment. And next year we would like to focus more on to getting the data to the shop floor and getting the shift team to participate in the analysis of the data and to contribute to the optimization projects. Absolutely, I am, and I think it's, like I said, in the first step, it's good to use TrendMiner to get an overview, and in the second step, it's very good to find root causes and to find the leverages to optimize our process. Yeah, so right now we're actually producing energy dashboards which should be displayed in the control room. It's very good to get the focus more on energy efficiency also for the plant team, and it's actually a very nice use case at the moment.